Alright, welcome to the next unboxing. We're going to get started with some Neon Tetra. There's a female crown tail Betta. Female koi Betta. There's a female crown tail Betta. We have lots of different female koi Bettas to choose from, all different types. Female koi Betta. There's some Basmani rainbows. There's some Sanka koi swordtails. We had a client request for a baby Delhaize Bisher. There's some German blue rams. We have some autocyclists. We have some more green Neon Tetras. Coley loaches, giant coley loaches. Wow. They are fast. Giant coley loaches. Rummy nose tetras. Tank race cardinal tetras. Dwarf pea puffers. Get them to focus. Panda cories. Stir-by cories. Here we have some Julii cories. Brilliant turquoise discus. There's another brilliant blue turquoise discus. There's a nice white diamond discus. White diamond discus. Here we have a snakeskin red stardust discus. Another snakeskin red stardust discus. Nice yellow pigeon blood discus. Another beautiful yellow pigeon blood discus. Alright, last but not least, we have a beautiful pigeon blood red polka dot discus. Always appreciate you guys, and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.